Let's see how to copy pages between Wix sites. Copying pages between Wix sites allows you to efficiently duplicate content and maintain consistency across multiple websites. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to copy pages from Wix site to another. First, you need to open your Wix site on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor of the site that contains the page you wanted to copy. Click Design Your Website. Find Pages and Menu. It is located on the left-hand side of your panel. Once you click in, locate the page you wanted to copy. Then click the three-dot menu next to it. Click Duplicate to create a copy of the page within the same site. Now, to transfer the duplicated page to another Wix site, you'll need to manually recreate it. First, you have to right-click and then click the copy. Open the Wix editor of the destination site and create a new blank page. Right-click and click Paste. And that's it. That's how you copy pages between the Wix sites. And see you soon.